You're not alone out there. There is some kind of presence out there with you.
What the hell?
Boy, that was some journey. I think that thing stretched my stomach. I'm starved.
Yeah, so am I.
Yeah, but you should really think about eating up on the...
Hey, don't say it.
I'm just saying you can switch to the astronaut avocado salad instead of the astronaut lasagna.
Bernie, look!
What the? Our favorite restaurant in Manhattan? We're home! Let's go eat! Are you sure that's wise? I heard you should wait 30 minutes after traveling through a vortex.
Oh, come on.